My people, marriage is not by force. Relationship no be by force. If you no do you again, no carry your two hands, put yourself for trouble. This man you are looking at now, he set his wife ablaze because of small domestic issues.
Hey, let me see your face. What is your name?
My name is Jacob.
Jacob what?
Irewa.
Huh?
Irewa.
Where are you living?
Alright.
Which work are you doing?
I'm a teacher.
Teacher. Which school?
I left Irawo.
Huh?
I left Irawo to Glorious Faith.
Huh?
Glorious Faith Secondary.
Okay.
But we are on vacation.
Okay.
And also, I'm a pastor.
You are a pastor?
I'm a reverend.
Huh?
Reverend.
Reverend. What is the name of your church? Name of your church?
Currently, I'm attending Living Faith Church. But God give me the mandate that I will serve Him. I will have my own church in the nearest future. But I don't know.
Okay, now, hey, calm down, please.
The devil,
Calm down, my friend. Hey.
my God.
Now,
My God. Okay.
now, what will happen? What happen? Why they bring you to vigilante office?
Okay. God who made me. Me and her, we never fight.
You and her, who?
We never fight.
Who? You and who?
My wife.
Your wife.
We never fight.
Your wife.
I will even lay my hands.
Is it your wife? Is she your wife?
It's my wife, sir.
Okay.
How many pikin you have for you?
We don't have it. We are still looking on God's
You
hand.
never get pikin.
Yes.
So what happened?
I took my bait this evening. So I wanted to put on short sleeve.
Short leave.
Because there is heat. I don't want to put long sleeve like this. So I discovered that all my short leaves in my bags, there are almost 7 different colors. There is blue, there is pink, there is brown,
Yes.
there is green,
Yes.
there is yellow, blue, there is 7. For man and God.
What will happen? Sharply.
I did not see anyone in my bag.
Okay.
Then I moved straight to my wife. I did not see my short leave. Anyone? What happens to my short leave? He said, hey, I am just asking. I said, yes, now. It's not me and you that is in the house. She be crazy.
Okay.
I run outside. Why are you running now? I'm asking of my t-shirts in my bags. I went to where we spread our clothes on the drying rail. We used to dry our clothes on the fence. I did not see anything. I thought maybe she was there. I did not see anything. The only thing he just mentioned, he said, I have burned them. You are born.
Your wife say you don't buy your
Oh,
clothes.
God forbid.
Okay.
He said she has burned them. Then you burned all my short leaves without my knowledge. They are new. I'm still wearing them. Why do you do this to me? I tell the neighbor. I tell all our neighbors. They did not mind. Because she used to always quarrel with them. So nobody attended to her. So the frustration, the anger, I don't just discover myself any longer. My machine was parked outside. I don't know how I fetched the fuel.
Okay. You fetch the fuel from your machine.
Yes.
And do what?
And do what?
Throw it.
Throw it
You throw
away.
it.
Throw the fuel away.
Yes, sir.
Or throw it inside.
Or you pour it on her. Did you pour the fuel on her?
This thing is just like
Just say, and we are asking you
fuel
question.
on her.
it's just like a
But did you pour the fuel on her?
I don't know, sir. They say he has born. I don't know.
Okay, after you throw
They say she has born.
Hey.
I don't even see her.
now after you throw the fuel away,
I threw the
what
fuel.
will happen?
They say she has born. I did not even see her with my eye.
So how the light now take enter his body?
How did she burn?
How did
If
she
it's
burn?
only the fuel you pour on her, how
did
she
she
bring
burn?
fire into her body to burn her?
Sir?
Who started the fire?
The fire, I think maybe, I don't know, maybe I carry fire. I don't just know,
You don't know when you carry fire. So because your wife say you offended you, he bought your t-shirt. So you now go to your machine and fetch up fuel and petrol
Oh, Father.
and throw it on her. So now you now set fire. Okay, come down. You now set fire on her. You say that you don't know. Now devil. And you call yourself a pastor. You call yourself a pastor. You said that God called you. That one day you are going to. Okay, that is the way. This is the way that you are going to get your church. Abi, don't worry yourself. You go answer. You are going to go answer where you belong.
God forgive me.
So you know where you belong.
God forgive me.
So I
Oh, Lord have mercy upon me.
prepare your case file. Then we move on to station.
Oh, Lord have
Direct.
mercy upon me.
You know what he did? We are going to the station. That's why you belong.
Have mercy upon me.
No.
You see am now. You go now go jail. As they don't arrest you, you go jail. If the wife is dead, you just by your hand destroyed your own home. If it comes to the point when it be say you don't risk life threatening, especially to the women, run for your life. No be by fire by force. This one wey with the vow say till death do you part. No be in all condition o. Make you dey use your sense. Make you no be say that you will endure everything in marriage. Marriage is not meant to be endured. Marriage is meant to be enjoyed. You get the point? So if both of you have come to the point that the two of you can no longer coexist or cohabit, separate for your own good and that of the children. Because this thing is getting out of hand. I think I start talking about relationship and family because it goes a long way in hitting back on the society generally. Because you can imagine, if these children have now resort to the street, perhaps their mother is dead, their father is in prison, no relation to take care of them, they enter the street and become a menace to the society. So we should be very careful of the decisions we take and actions we take. Well, it's up to you.